In this particular video, I am going to talk about the how you will check the status of the IPO allotment. So let's talk about these things in a detail. So you will find the status in this way. This is the application ID and remark, congratulations, you have been allotted 575 share against your application. Issuer Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited. It means that I allotted the share, I allotted the IPO successfully. So how you will check the status? If you will go to the official site kfintech.com or BSE site, then where you will not able to check the IPO status because currently the website having some issues. BSE website also having some issues. So the first thing is that in the official website kfintech.com, first in the official site you can able to check, and then after that on the BSE you can check. So definitely in the kfintech.com you will not find the allotment, and there will be no option for Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited issuer. So how you will able to check? I hope that you are not able to check, that's why you come to the video. So if you will allotted any IPO, then you will get a message. What will be the message? The message is that I applied IPO, you can notice, and however it is written that please approve mandate, payment mandate. However, I have already applied and approved the mandate, but still it is showing, but still I got allotted. So it means there are no issue, allotment is successfully done. In the detail you can notice that I have allotted 2 bid, right? 2 bid, the amount is 29,900 something. This is the price of 2 bid. But what message I got? Message I got that 14,950 debited from the account number something toward Indian Railway Finance, and 14,900 are unblocked on 26/1/2021, application number something. That's it. It means that I applied for the 2 lot, and in 1 lot the cost is 14,950, and again for the second lot the same amount. In this case you can notice that 1 lot is applied successfully, another one is not applied, right? So it means that this amount will be I will get in my account, which that is already on hold during the application. Now it will be released because this for this amount I didn't got allotment. Now 1 lot I got, that's why this amount will be debited. It means that in your bank account holded amount will, if holded amount is deducting or releasing, it means that you can understand, if deducting then you will get the allotment, if released then you will not get the allotment. This is the one way of understanding that allotment is done or not. There are the various way, step by step I am telling you. I think you understand about it. Now if you will go to the any bank, whatever bank you are using, you can use the net banking, or maybe you can use mobile app, whatever banking you are using, you will find one section. The section is that hold section. Okay, so you will find a hold section. So you can check here amount on hold, you will find a hold section. This is the whole transaction detail. Now here you can notice that I have applied for the IPO, and you can notice here 29,900 was blocked, and now on the 26th January 14,900 is deducted, and the status is showing here the paying. This is the indication that that amount is deducting. It means share is allotted. Now you can notice that another holded amount is already, let me check. You can notice that here is the released. It means that on the 26th it's 14,950 is released, and the same amount is deducting. If you'll go to the, you can notice that 14,900 is deducted. It means allotment is done against your Demat account. Now I hope you understand. Now how you will check the statement, because the website is not working properly and BSE website is also not working properly. Then in this case you can use some app, and the app name is here. Just I am closing this one. You can notice the app name is here, KPrism. Now you need to go to the Play Store and download the KPrism application. If you will download, then there will be an option to register. You can use your name, PAN card, email ID or phone number to register. After registration, if you will go to the IPO allotment section, then here there is an option to select IPO, Indian Railway Finance Corporation, the first one. You can notice, just click on it and provide application ID or DPID or permanent account number or PAN number, and then submit. That's it. Now you will get the status that any allotment is done against your DP or not. If it is done, then it's all right, congratulations. If not done, then that particular holded amount will be released soon. So if you will face any problem related to this, then definitely let us know. Thank you for watching.